YouTube, Mark Morris, TotalBeautyBroke.com. Engineer building a $15 million business. Make sure you subscribe. Well, tomorrow I have the housekeepers coming, so I got to clean out the sink. So I have one skillet over there left in the sink that I got to clean out. I'm wiping down the stove. Going through and just picking up any crumbs and stuff. So that means when they come, they can just do extra cleaning and hit the areas that I missed. So subscribe. By paying off my $94,458 student loan, I can pay extra $200 a month and just have someone clean the house. Someone else basically clean up my shit, because I get tired of cleaning up my stuff, man. I never knew it would do a good job anyway, because I'm always busy. Subscribe. Let me know, what would you do for a housekeeper? I've been a housekeeper. I've been a janitor. I've cleaned pools. I cleaned giant gym restrooms. So I know all about cleaning. So when I need to get a break from cleaning, I want a break. What about you?